In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an app from Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll go from an idea to a live shareable app in just a few minutes with clear checkpoints along the way. Start by opening astudio.google.com in your browser. Use a modern browser so everything loads smoothly. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the account you plan to use for deploying apps, as this will help later when connecting to your cloud project. On the home page, click Build AI Apps. This takes you to the App Builder workspace, where you can quickly transform a concept into something people can actually use. Now describe your idea. In the prompt area, write a short but focused description of what the app should do. It helps to include who it's for, the inputs it should accept, the kind of output you expect, and any constraints like tone or length. The clearer you are here, the better the initial draft will be. Avoid pasting any sensitive data. If your app involves documents or structured inputs, mention that in plain language so the builder knows how to shape the interface. When your description looks good, click Build. Google AI Studio will generate an initial version of your app, select a suitable model, and suggest instructions and interface elements. Give it a moment to assemble everything. Take a quick look at the preview to see if the responses and layout align with your intent. If a detail looks off, fine-tune your description and build again until the preview matches what you want. Once you're satisfied, find the Deploy App icon at the top right of the screen. It's your gateway to publishing. Click it to start the deployment flow. You'll be prompted to select a Google Cloud project to proceed. Pick an existing project you use for AI work so usage and quotas are tracked in the right place. If you don't have a suitable project yet, create a project when prompted. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to enable required services or set up billing for deployment features. Finally, click Deploy App. The system will package your configuration and provision everything behind the scenes. This usually takes a short moment. When it's done, you'll get a live URL for your app that you can open, bookmark, and share with teammates. If you make changes later, redeploy to update the live version. That's it. You went from idea to builder to a deployed, shareable app in Google AI Studio. Try a few refinements, redeploy as needed, and you'll have a polished app ready